Chapter 2 immerses us in an exhilarating adventure through the captivating world of the Seat Leon FR. Prepare to embark on a thrilling journey as we delve into the intricate details and profound experiences that await on the open road. The chapter unfolds with the protagonist embracing the serenity of a vibrant sunrise. As they settle into the driver's seat of the Leon FR, a surge of anticipation electrifies the air. With a gentle turn of the key, the engine roars to life, its powerful growl echoing through the quiet morning, stirring a sense of excitement and possibility. Eager to taste the freedom that lies beyond the city limits, the Leon FR gracefully merges onto the open road. As the accelerator is gently pressed, the car responds with remarkable agility, effortlessly propelling itself forward. The seamless acceleration awakens a surge of adrenaline, heightening the senses and setting the stage for an unforgettable journey. The chapter unfolds with a vivid depiction of the landscapes that unfurl before the driver's eyes. Rolling hills, blanketed in lush greenery, come alive in panoramic glory. Majestic mountains, their peaks reaching towards the heavens, stand as sentinels of nature's grandeur. Serene coastal vistas, where the turquoise waters kiss sandy shores, invoke a sense of tranquility and awe. With each twist and turn, the Leon FR reveals its dynamic capabilities, impressing both driver and passenger alike. The precise and responsive steering allows for effortless navigation as the car dances through winding roads with elegance and grace. The suspension, tuned for performance and comfort, effortlessly absorbs imperfections, offering a smooth and composed ride that instills confidence and enhances the connection between driver and machine. The chapter narrates a tapestry of memorable moments, each intricately woven into the fabric of the journey. Scenic overlooks entice the driver to pause, allowing them to bask in the breathtaking vistas and capture the essence of nature's artistry. Charming villages, with their picturesque streets and quaint architecture, beckon the driver to explore and uncover hidden gems. Secret hideaways, nestled amidst verdant forests or perched upon rugged cliffs, unveil a world waiting to be discovered. The Leon FR serves as a faithful companion throughout the chapter, effortlessly unlocking the untamed beauty of each destination. Its spirited performance, coupled with the driver's intuitive control, harmonized to create an enchanting symphony of motion. Whether ascending steep mountain passes, hugging the curves of coastal highways, or conquering challenging terrains, the car's prowess instills a sense of confidence, allowing the driver to embrace the thrill of the journey. While the chapter delights in the car's dynamic capabilities, it also indulges in the comforts and conveniences offered within the Leon FR's refined interior. Plush seating, meticulously crafted to cradle the body, envelopes occupants in luxurious comfort. Advanced climate control systems regulate the temperature to perfection, ensuring a pleasant and enjoyable environment regardless of the outside conditions. The cabin, carefully insulated from external noise, creates a haven of tranquility, allowing the driver to fully immerse themselves in the joys of the road. As the chapter draws to a close, the protagonist reflects upon the transformative power of the Leon FR. The car has become more than a mere means of transportation, it is a vessel for liberation, self-discovery, and boundless possibilities. Each twist of the steering wheel, each passing mile, fuels a sense of wanderlust, igniting a thirst for new experiences. Yet amidst the thrilling adventures, the Leon FR remains a steadfast and reliable companion, instilling a sense of confidence and peace of mind. Chapter 2 of our Seat Leon FR Odyssey leaves readers yearning for the open road, eager to embark on their own journeys of freedom and exploration. It is within the essence of the Leon FR that the protagonist finds a harmonious union between machine and driver, a symphony of exhilaration and serenity. The car's captivating design, with its sleek lines and bold contours, merges seamlessly with the surrounding landscapes, becoming an extension of the driver's own spirit. The chapter unravels a kaleidoscope of emotions, as the Leon FR becomes a conduit for self-discovery and personal growth. The open road acts as a canvas for the driver's dreams and aspirations, where limitations fade away, and possibilities unfold with each passing mile. Behind the wheel of the Leon FR, they are no longer bound by the confines of everyday life but liberated to explore uncharted territories and forge unforgettable memories. As the journey progresses, the Leon FR reveals its versatility, adapting effortlessly to diverse environments and demands. Be it a leisurely coastal cruise, an exhilarating mountain ascent, or a swift urban maneuver, the car's adaptability shines through. It seamlessly balances power, agility, and practicality, proving its mettle in every situation and ensuring an unmatched driving experience. Throughout the chapter, the Leon FR's advanced technologies and intuitive features further enhance the journey. The innovative infotainment system keeps the driver connected to the outside world, providing seamless access to navigation, entertainment, and communication. Smart connectivity options enable the integration of smartphones, ensuring that the driver remains in touch with their digital realm while staying focused on the road ahead. Safety remains at the forefront of the Leon FR's design. The chapter highlights the car's advanced safety features, such as intelligent collision avoidance systems, adaptive cruise control, and lane-keeping assistance. These cutting-edge technologies provide an additional layer of protection, offering peace of mind to both driver and passengers. As the chapter draws to a close, a sense of fulfillment and contentment lingers. The protagonist's journey, fueled by the Leon FR's undeniable allure, has been an unforgettable tapestry of experiences, emotions, and self-discovery. The car has become more than a mere mode of transportation. It has become a trusted companion, a steadfast ally, and a conduit for unforgettable adventures. Chapter 2 of our Seat Leon FR Odyssey invites readers to embrace the open road, to savor the exhilaration of each twist and turn, and to let the Leon FR become their vessel of liberation. It captures the essence of exploration, freedom, and the unyielding passion for the journey, leaving readers yearning to embark on their own unforgettable odysseys.